gamot, trabaho, lahat yan inaasikaso natin. Kung walang choice at isasabay natin impeachment hapon, impeachment umaga, legislation, bakit hindi? Pero hindi ba dapat bigyan din natin ng katahimikan yung ating bansa at least until February 6? Na sinabi na ng Supreme Court, barred, mali ang proseso, tuldukan na rin natin sa Senado. So, ang isa na lang po ang pinag-uusapan natin, which I want to give honor and thank the minority leader na, pero may appeal. So, whether or not the Senate says tuldukan na natin, nandun pa rin sa Supreme Court yung appeal. Would it be acceptable both to Senator Marcoleta and to the minority? What if we word the motion that we move to adhere to the decision of the Supreme Court in Duterte versus period?